this one. Question B. Question B says state one use of each of the tools A, B, C, and D. So what is the use of watering can? So it is used, or let's say, so this for watering of seedlings. For watering of seedlings. What is the function of hook and line? So this for harvesting. For harvesting fish in ponds or rivers and rivers. And then C, this for pruning, or I say trimming of hedges. For pruning or trimming of hedges. And then the last one, D, hand throw, for transplanting of seedlings. You can also talk for turning of soil. So hand throw can also be used for turning of soil. Okay, so these are the uses of the illustrated farm tools. The A, which is a watering can, is for watering of seedlings. The hook and line, which is a B, for harvesting of fish in ponds and rivers. And the pair of shears, that is a C, for pruning or trimming of hedges. And then the D, which is the hand throw, for transplanting of seedling. As I said, it can also be used in turning or loosening of the soil. Loosening of the soil. The C. C, it says name the parts labeled I up to VI. So we have I and II on the 2A, the I and IV to B, and then we have the VI to C, and then the V on to D. So if you look at the watering can, that is the A, the label part, you have the I as the spout. The spout, that is where the water flows from onto the seedling, the spout. Or sometimes we also call it the roots. Roots. So spouts or roots. The II, that's the can itself. So we call it the tank. The tank. The tank. You can also call it the can or container. Any of them, it doesn't matter. And then when it comes to B, that is the hook and line. The part labeled III is the float. The float. And then we have the IV as the hook. When it comes to the VI, that is to C. Oh, no, so the V is on 2D. That is the handle. Handle. And when it comes to 2C, the VI is what we call the blade, metal blade. Okay, so those are the labeled parts from I to VI. The last question here is question D. It says, state 3 ways of maintaining 2D. So how do you maintain or care for 2D? That is the hand throw. The hand throw. How do you maintain the hand throw up? How do you maintain it? So by properly washing and cleaning the tool after use. To remove all soil particles. So properly washing and cleaning of tool after use to remove all soil particles. Then 2 is sharpening. Let me get right at periodic sharpening let me say 2D. Okay, we are looking at 2D. So this one also by periodic oiling of or you can say lubrication of metal parts. 3 by keeping or storing it, by keeping in a cool and dry place. In a cool and dry place. Okay, by also keeping it in the appropriate toolbox, by keeping it in So these are some ways of maintaining 2D. You can also add that by using it for the right purpose. So you don't use it for doing what is not supposed to be used for. So by washing and cleaning it after use, or by oiling it, the metallic parts especially, and then you keep it in a cool and dry place. If it is exposed to moisture and all that, it will lead to rust. The metallic part will rust. And then you can also keep it in the toolbox. And so these are ways of maintaining 2D. And that ends question 21. this brings us to the end of today's session. And on that note, today's class is amicably adjourned. Until we meet again, continue to be hard-working students by making sure that you read thoroughly, you spend time studying, and cut down on all the extracurricular activities. Stay blessed. Bye.